Hello guys, today we'll learn about angle of elevation. So here is a problem that Jane is flying a kite on a 100-meter string that makes an angle of 48 degree with the horizontal. How high is the kite above Jane's hand? Give your answer to the nearest meter. Now if we draw this, here is Jane and her hand must be at this height. So we need to figure out the height of the kite. So kite is here and this is the string. So they already said in the question that the string length is 100 meter. It means from her hand, which is here, to the kite, the distance is 100 meter. And she is flying the kite at an angle of elevation of 48 degrees. So angle of elevation means angle which is made above the horizontal line. So this is the horizontal line and this will be the angle which is going above the horizontal by 48 degrees. Now we need to figure out how much is this height between kite and her hand. So if you look at this triangle, this angle is 90 degree and opposite to this angle 48 degree, this side which is the distance between kite and her hand, we need to figure out. So here the string length is working as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is given, which is 100 meter. Theta is given, which is 48 degree. And now we need to figure out the opposite. So if we apply SOH CAH TOA, we can see that SOH is the relation which relates opposite and hypotenuse using sine theta. So if we use sine trigonometric ratio, which is sine 48 degrees is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is 100 meters, sine 48 when you solve you'll get 0.7431. So from there we can simplify opposite will be equals to 0.7431 times 100, which is 74.31. The question has asked us to find the answer correct to the nearest meter, so that will be 74 meters. Hope it helps you to understand angle of elevation in a better manner. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Hello guys, here is a question which uses angle of elevation. So the question is, the diagonal of a rectangle makes an angle of 40 degree with one of the longer sides. If the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeter, find the length of the diagonal correct to one decimal place. So if we draw the rectangle, which is ABCD, the longer side is 12 centimeter and the diagonal, which is AC, that makes an angle of 42 degree with the longer side. So we can choose AD as a longer side or we can choose BC as a longer side because a rectangle has two longer sides. So we can use any of the triangle. If we are going with AD, we need to choose the triangle ACD, because in the triangle ACD we have one angle which is angle D equals to 90 degree and angle 42 degree is given because the diagonal is making 42 degrees with the longer side. So if we again use SOH CAH TOA, we need to see which trigonometric ratio can relate us to adjacent, because this side is adjacent and this side is hypotenuse, and that we can simply see using this relationship SOH CAH TOA, that it is CAH. So it means in this triangle ACD, if we are using cos theta, which means cos 42, it will be equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, and adjacent length is 12 centimeter. Hypotenuse we need to figure out because we are figuring out the length of the diagonal, which is AC. So if we cross multiply, we'll get H is equals to 12 over cos 42. If we'll simplify, we'll get 16.147. But the question has asked us to give the answer to one decimal place, so we have to do some rounding. So because 7 is the third decimal place, we need to cancel it, and as 7 is bigger than 5, so we'll get a carry to 4. So now our answer will become 16.15. Still we need to cancel the second decimal place, which is 5. So the rule for rounding is whenever the digit is 5 or more, we'll get the carry. So again, when we'll cancel 5, we'll get a carry of 1. So here again for 16.1 plus 1, which is equals to 16.2. So our answer will be 16.2 centimeter for this question. Hope it helps you to understand angle of elevation in a better manner. See you in next video.